Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to restrict access to the approvals page in a ServiceNow Service Portal for specific users by listing individual users directly. Let's get started. In certain scenarios, you may want to limit access to specific service portal pages such as approvals page for a selected set of users based on internal requirements. For example, users from specific departments, individuals undergoing onboarding, or users who shouldn't view approval-related data due to access policies. Instead of implementing additional roles or managing complex group structures, ServiceNow provides a cleaner solution through user criteria. This allows you to easily control page-level access by specifying individual users, offering a simple, maintainable, and effective method to manage visibility within Service Portal. Let's go to My Approvals. Now let's restrict the access to users or the required ones like departments or specific groups or roles. Navigate back to the platform, go to All, and type Service Portals and click on Pages. You can see Approvals page, click on it. Scroll down, you can view and cannot view related list here. If you cannot see this, make sure that you have the Service Portal User Criteria Support plugin installed. To check that, go to All and type Plugins. Click on it. Search a plugin called com.glide.serviceportal.usercriteria. I got my plugin already installed, Service Portal User Criteria Support. If it's not active, ask your admin to install it. You'll need it to apply user criteria to portal pages. Now go back to Approvals page. Scroll down to Cannot View List. Click on New to create a new user criteria record. Now give it a name like Restrict Test Users. Now let me select users from the users. I have selected Mamie McEntee and Naomi McRaven and submit the record. We have saved the user criteria, then return to the approvals page. If there are users you want to let page for visibility explicitly, attach it to the can view list. Let's test it out. Navigate back to Employee Center and impersonate as one of the users you want to restrict access. Click on More, My Approvals. You can see that the page cannot be found to the restricted users. Here there is a point to be noted. If there are any admins restricted, admins can still see the page regardless of criteria. That's default behavior in ServiceNow. If the admin role still doesn't grant any access, verify that the Service Portal User Criteria Support plugin is active and that the page ACLs are not overriding the user criteria. And that's it. You have now restricted the approvals page in your Service Portal to specific users using user criteria, with no need to manage roles or groups. And by the way, the same method works for restricting widgets too. Just apply the user criteria in the widgets can view or cannot view settings. Let me show you. Navigate back to Platform, go to All and search for widgets. Under Service Portal, click on Widgets. Let me end impersonation. Okay, we'll be having different widgets and click on anyone. You can see can view and cannot view related list down here. The same method works for the restricting widgets as we restricted pages. It's a simple, consistent way to control visibility across your Service Portal. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more ServiceNow tips and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm happy to help. See you in the next one.